Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am here to share with you guys a home decor haul. Your girl has been doing a little home decor shopping, of course. In a month and change, we will have been in our new house for a year, and I guess probably most people say this, I thought that I would potentially have gotten much further along than what I have, but we have been steadily working to meet big financial goals. So had we not been doing that, then obviously maybe the house could be completely furnished, but all of that to say, we are moving slow and steady, and at this point I'm definitely okay with it. But my friend had sent me some gift cards for my birthday in September, and they never made it to me. They were lost in the mail or stolen. So she sent me some money, and I took that money and I went straight to HomeGoods, because anytime I get any kind of money or gift cards or whatever, which is very frequently, I go right to some kind of home decor store. So I just want to share with you guys what I picked up just the other day, and then some other little things that I've picked up in the last, since the last time that we talked. So first things first, I have with me a white pumpkin candle. This came from At Home. It was $19.99. I thought that it was super cute and fitting for the fall holiday. It smells really good. I have yet to burn it, but I'm going to start burning it. I have other candles and I've been burning them, but I'm gonna try to go ahead and actually start burning my candles, because candle day is coming up and your girl will be loading up on candles. But this one was super festive, and I just keep it here on my living room table. And so anyway, I thought it was really cute without even burning it. I felt like it was really festive. So from HomeGoods the other day, I picked up a few things because I want to do over or refresh the guest bedroom. I've always wanted to do that. I want to put I want to actually decorate in there and hang some things on the wall. I want a new bed frame and a new headboard and all of that, but I haven't pulled the plunge on that right now because it's not a top priority. Plus we may try to zhuzh up the one that we have already, the bed that we have already. The first thing that I picked up is this pillow. It is the DKNY brand. It was $19.99 at HomeGoods, and I think it's really going to go with the aesthetic in there. I'm going for a glam, airy, vibrant type of look, something that I wouldn't do in our master bedroom, only because I like my brassy, homey type of vibe in the master. So anyway, picked up this pillow, and also to go with it, I picked up this full/queen comforter set. It's 3 pieces, so it has 2 shams and 1 comforter, and I think it's gonna look so good in the master. It is 100% cotton. It is from the Home Elements brand, if you can see that, and it was $59.99, which was pretty steep, but again, I had gotten a gift card, so I went ahead and picked up this. And we are going to be making, I think we may refresh the bedroom either tonight or tomorrow or the coming days, so I'll be sure to film me refreshing the guest bedroom. But I got this to go on the bed. Additionally, I went ahead and picked up a throw. So this is the throw that I picked up. It's like a taupey kind of color, and I wanted it to go with that vibe because I think it is going to, first of all, blend well or go well with some of the taupey elements for this pillow, but also I just think it's going to give me the vibe that I want. So my goal is to kind of drape this over the bed, or hang it, kind of put it at the foot of the bed or something like that. It does have some little pom-pom looking things, so I just think it's gonna be a vibe, and I hope that it is, so we'll have to see. If not, something's gonna have to change. This is from the Max Studio Home collection, and it is $19.99. Also from HomeGoods, I picked up a mug washing brush. It's actually a travel washing brush, but it's not gonna be, it's gonna travel to my kitchen, and that's where it's gonna stay. But it has a, it's like a foamy textured tip, and then of course the regular type of brush bristles, and then this wire here kind of looks similar to the brushes that you use for cleaning baby bottles and all of that. But anyway, picked up this so I can clean out all of my many different cups and mugs and stuff, because sometimes my hand doesn't fit all the way down in the bottles and cups, so I'm happy to have picked this up. Another thing that I picked up is a banana guard. It is $2.99. I'm not really sure if this is what you put your banana in, so you can take it to work so it won't get smushed or whatever, or if you put the remains of your banana in here, if you don't eat your whole banana. I don't know. Either way, I'm gonna use it for both of the different ways that it's supposed to be used. So I did pick up this banana guard. Another thing that I picked up from HomeGoods is an avocado storage pod. I literally do use and need this for sure, and it's just like a little pod, and it was $2.99, similar to the banana guard. Something else that I picked up is wrapped up in here. I don't even know what it is because I went shopping for this stuff days ago, so I have no earthly clue. Oh, it's my little cup. Okay, so I picked up a Dashing Through Merlot wine cup. Like, how cute is this? And it has a little lid and it has a little wine stopper. Like, is this not to die? I don't know if you can see Dashing Through Merlot. Let's see if I can put it in front of my face. Anyway, I thought it was super cute. It was $7.99, 16 fluid ounces, a little on the steep side, but it's really, really heavy. And I feel like it's gonna be really, really sturdy, and I'm gonna be drinking out of this from now until probably January. And then maybe I'll get another one, but probably not. But this one was just too cute to pass up. And then the last couple of things that I got from HomeGoods are these window panels by the Willowbrook collection. These are 95 inches and they're extra long, and they are pole top curtains, and they were $24.99. So I got 2 of them, and these are gonna go, at this point, I have curtains for all of the rooms in the house. It's been almost a year, but I officially have curtains for all of the rooms in the house. So these are supposed to go in the studio. Yeah, so all of the curtains, yeah, all of the rooms in the house have curtains now. They're not all hung, so still struggling in that area, but they do all curtain rods, and curtains have been purchased for all of the windows in the home. So anyway, I picked these up, and they have like an interesting texture. So all of the curtains are also white, except for the ones in my husband's man cave. They're like dark panels. So anyway, I just thought that these were interesting. I didn't want all of the rooms, I don't want all of the rooms that have the same kind of curtains, but I do want the whole home to kind of be airy. I didn't want them to all have the same vibe. I wanted them to have a different vibe. So anyway, anytime that I saw like some white panels that were 95 inches that were enough for said room, I just picked them up. So anyway, these are the curtains that are going to go in the shop room. Also from Target recently, so I had purchased some panels from At Home, but we have a really big window in our master, and then we have a small one, and it has been difficult, and they're on the same side of the room, kind of close together, and it has been kind of difficult to find curtain rods that were similar, like exactly alike rather, because that's what I wanted, that were where they had like a smaller size and a larger size. So I shopped high and low. I purchased rods, took them back. I finally found some at Target. Also, another thing is I wanted a brass color. Now these are a soft brass finish, but they're gonna do the trick. I kind of like held them up to see what they would be like, and they definitely give off a soft vibe, but they also give off like a brassy vibe. So I picked these up from Target, and they are, now these are interesting because they have like this whole thing going on. So that's not something that I was originally going for, but we're gonna go ahead and like install these eventually and hope that these work. I think they're gonna look good. I think they'll look good with the curtains and all of that. So I'm excited to get these installed. And also I got a bigger one. So this is 36 to 66, and then I have a bigger one over here that extends to like 120 inches. And so that one's gonna be perfect because the window that's bigger is like 72, and then the smaller one is like 33, I think. So this is going to be perfect. So I'll have to show you guys what it looks like when we get it hung up. And then finally, I wanna share with you guys a couple of other things that we picked up, to include, let's see what might be new. I think the TV stand is new. That we purchased off of Amazon. I'll have it linked in my HomeGoods list on Amazon, but it's perfect. We love it. It has some character. It's white, so it looks good off of our walls. It's like a nice contrast to our gray walls. So that is what we picked up. Of course, we do want to do that whole fireplace situation, but that has been extremely difficult with COVID, with like finding the right contractor, and it's been lots of drama. So we picked up the TV stand, and then also I picked up some pampas grass. That's from Amazon too, and it'll be linked. And also I picked up some curtains and some curtain rods. And I need to iron the curtains or spray them or steam them or something, but I don't like to mess with things when I first get them because I want to make sure, like, I leave tags on them and all of that. I don't want to manipulate them because I want to make sure I love them and I want to keep them. And so we definitely love them. It's been like 2 weeks, so it's time for me to get those wrinkles out by any means necessary. So those are all of our most recent home decor updates or purchases. I do have some things coming down the pipes. I'm ready to make a little gallery wall type situation behind the couch, and I want to purchase the frames for that. I'm ready to purchase some shelving in here. I want to do like a vertical shelf and like a horizontal shelf, and then like a vertical ladder shelf. I'm ready to pick up some other, you know, wall hangings, and I'm just ready to do some more decorating. Obviously, I've been taking my precious time, and I wouldn't have it any other way, but I am ready to definitely make another purchase. Every month I've been trying to like make a purchase for the house, because it's not like any kind of rush to get the house decorated, but slowly but surely I will say that each room is kind of coming together. Each room now needs like a few pieces, a few wall decor pieces, you know. So I don't think we're gonna make it by the year mark, but I will say probably by like a year and a half the house should be decorated to our liking. So anyway, that is it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed the home decor update / haul, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye guys.